So this is sixth part of question number 2 from exercise 1b, in which you have to represent minus 2 whole 5 over 6 on number line. So you all know that this minus 2 whole 5 over 6 will lie between minus 2 and minus 3, and so we will represent 0, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3 on number line. Then we will divide that minus 2 and minus 3 in 6 equal parts, and out of which fifth part will represent minus 2 whole 5 over 6. So let's take one scale, and scale is 1 unit is equals to, let's say, 3 centimeter. So now take your scale and then mark points at the distance of 3 centimeter. You can mark points. So it is here it is 0 at 3 distance, 1, 2 and 3. So this point is 0, this one is minus 1, this point is minus 2, and this one is minus 3. Now this minus 2 whole 5 over 6 will lie between minus 2 and minus 3. So we will divide this minus 2 and minus 3 in 6 equal parts, and out of which fifth part will represent minus 2 whole 5 over 6. So for this we will take a scale of 1 small unit. So we can write 1 small unit is equals to, the distance between minus 2 and minus 3 is 3 centimeter, over divided by number of parts in which you have to divide this minus 2 and minus 3 is 6. So 3 over 6 is equals to 1 by 2 centimeter, that is equals to 0.5 centimeter. So you will divide this minus 2 and minus 3 in 6 equal parts at the distance of 0.5 centimeters. So you can mark these points like this. Let me zoom. So now I will divide this minus 2 and minus 3 in 6 equal parts. So at the distance of 0.5 centimeter I will mark points. So here it is first point, second point, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth point is 3 in itself. So now this point will represent minus 2 whole minus 1 over 6. This one will represent minus 2 over 6. This one will represent minus 3 over 6. This one will represent minus 4 over 6. And this point, it will represent minus 5 over 6. So you can write that this point is required point P, which is minus 2 whole 5 over 6. So this is how you can represent minus 2 whole 5 over 6 on number line, and you can circle it. You can make a dark circle over this point. So this is how we can represent minus 2 whole 5 over 6 on number line.